Dear parents, guardians, and my dear students, at the very outset, I would like to convey you warm greetings from the staff and the management. Ever since the nationwide lockdown came into effect, I feel very apprehensive as well as clueless about the situation of our country after the lockdown is lifted. Sometimes circumstances teach us great lessons. Work, study, rest, recreation, pastime activities, all under one roof. The coronavirus pandemic has dramatically changed the way we work and live today. India is gradually learning to go online for everything: paying bills, banking, shopping, working, and even praying. And this will be the new normal. In the current situation, online education is becoming a substitute to traditional models. Is India ready for this shift in terms of infrastructure and digital readiness of children? Needless to say, the pandemic has transformed the centuries-old chalk and talk models to one driven by technology. The lockdown has changed how we look at teaching. While the knowledge delivered remains the same, the way it is delivered certainly has changed. However, online teaching has proven to be very handy during the lockdown. Though it is not possible to replicate the entire experience online. My dear parents and my dear students, the online learning for class 10 began on 14th April, more than a month ago. And we are about to complete a month with the online and offline learning for classes 1 to 9, including the higher secondary students, the class 12. I firmly believe that this is the best time to invest in education. Our talented and ever-willing staff members, both teaching and non-teaching, have been showing their care and concern for the institution and students working from home, preparing notes, and engaging in classes online for the benefit of students. I appreciate their concern for the students and commitment in academics. Therefore, I request everyone to take advantage of the opportunity provided by the school and gain maximum out of it by monitoring your wards, especially during the online and offline classes. Looking forward for your support and wholehearted cooperation. I am sure by now all of us, you and I, have been practicing social distancing, physical distancing, wearing masks, washing hands, etc. For we here at Don Bosco are concerned about the health and safety of our students, staff, and their families and friends. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Thank you.